Hi everyone. So guys, those who are aiming for GATE examination or other examinations, it can be any examination like any competitive examination. आप लोगों के मेरे पास 10 साल से ज़्यादा अराउंड 12 इयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस जो है ना उस एक्सपीरियंस से मैं आप लोगों के लिए कुछ इनपुट देना चाहिए. So many people are committing the most common mistake in their life in this competitive examination. So from past many years, I have seen many students who came up with a different problem. Sir, I am not getting sufficient time to revise the subject, sir. Sir, I am not able to complete these particular subjects, sir. Can you help me? What I can do? Shall I go for a crash course? Just before 1 month, some students will come, or 2 months before the exam, they will come. There are very good, easy scoring subjects. They will bring those subjects. They will ask, sir, I haven't studied this subject, sir. Can I go for a crash course, sir? I'm not getting time for doing the revision, sir. These are the most common mistakes, or common problems faced by many students. The main root cause for this is the journey of the your preparation starts. The starting point of your journey is very important. It is important in two ways. The way you start the preparation is very important. You must start from a proper source. That subject should be selected like that, or the source should be selected like that, which can motivate you to prepare further. आप ऐसा सब्जेक्ट चूज करना चाहिए, वो सब्जेक्ट से आपका प्रिपरेशन आगे जाएगा. ऐसा टीचर को चूज करना चाहिए, वो टीचर आपका प्रिपरेशन को आसान करने वाला टीचर होना चाहिए. जैसा सोर्स भी सिलेक्ट करना चाहिए, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसके अलावा दैट इज other than this, there is one more very important point I want to give you. That is the most common mistake done by many engineers who are preparing for the GATE exam is they don't think of starting the preparation during their second, third year of engineering. Many students they take the GATE examination very light in the second, third year. Suddenly, once they come into final year, they start the preparation very seriously. They think that this is the exam for their particular life or whatever it might be. And final year पे आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत सारे काम है भाई. प्रोजेक्ट वर्क करना चाहिए, सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए, कैंपस प्लेसमेंट्स में जाना चाहिए. So many students prepare for the GATE exam. They don't qualify in the GATE exam. They leave the campus placements. They will not be able to succeed in that place also. But you will not be able to face. You will not be able to face. You will not be facing these kind of problems if you start your GATE preparation as early as possible. This is the most common mistake done by many students. They don't start their preparation seriously in the second, third year. They think अरे second, third year में हम क्या हमको टाइम जब मिलते हैं ना उस समय पे एक दो वीडियो देखते हैं. फाइनल ईयर पे सीरियसली हम वट एवर द कोचिंग लेके वेदर इट इज फ्री और पेड डजंट मैटर, एक शेड्यूल बना के टाइम टेबल बना के वी विल स्टार्ट द प्रिपरेशन फ्रॉम द फाइनल ईयर. एक्सक्यूज मी. दिस इज द एटीट्यूड ऑफ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स. प्लीज अवॉइड दिस गाइस. आप लोग जल्दी शुरू करो. इसमें बहुत ज्यादा एडवांटेजेस है क्योंकि आपके पास ज्यादा टाइम मिलेगा. यू विल बी गेटिंग एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम फॉर योर प्रिपरेशन. सो आपके पास ज्यादा टाइम है तो क्या क्या फायदा होता है, लेट अस see here. If you have ample amount of time, you need not prepare for 5 hours, 6 hours a day, which is not feasible for a college going student every single day. आप 2 घंटे 3 घंटे से शुरू कर सकते हैं if you are a second year student. नहीं है तो third year student है तो minimum 3 to 4 hours you can start your preparation journey. Maybe here you can study 2 to 3 hours. Here 3 to 4 hours if you prepare also. Just like a time pass. I mean आप कॉलेज जाते हैं, कॉलेज पे काम करते हैं, यू एंजॉय योर लाइफ एवरीथिंग. बट हर दिन पे 2-3 घंटे आपका प्रिपरेशन आपका करियर के लिए दे सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं. So you can give it for your own career for 2 to 3 hours. That is sufficient to crack the examination if you start early because आपके पास बहुत ज्यादा टाइम है, ऑप्शंस है. So if you are able to crack the GATE exam in third year itself, always aim to crack the GATE exam in third year itself. Final year pay, it may be your rank improvement, and you have the choice, you have the time to prepare for the campus placements. Everything will be in your hand. But आप आपने फाइनल ईयर आने तक आपका प्रिपरेशन ही शुरू नहीं किया, then you are doing wrong. Then you are doing wrong. At least कम से कम 1 साल 2 साल पहले जो लोग प्रिपरेशन शुरू करते हैं ना, I know many students who got top 100 in the rank. They always, most of the students will be preparing from their second, third year of their engineering. Many people will think that second year is too early, sir. हम तो basics भी पता नहीं. How should we prepare for the GATE examination? You come here and you can learn the preparation. The journey पे you will be learning from the basics itself. And in your GATE examination, whatever the subjects you have, all are the basic subjects. इसका मतलब क्या है सर? जैसा नेटवर्क एनालिसिस होता है, डिजिटल होता है, कंट्रोल सिग्नल्स, मैथ, एप्टीट्यूड, ये सभी सब्जेक्ट्स जो आप लोग प्रिपेयर करते हैं ना, दैट यू स्टडी इन योर सेकंड ईयर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग ओनली. सो जो आप लोग गेट को प्रिपेयर करते हैं, if you start in the second year of engineering or third year of engineering, those subjects will help you. Mostly for second year students, I'm saying those subjects will help you in your semester and for the gate exam. दोनों parallel चलेगा. जैसा आप फाइनल ईयर पे शुरू किया तो आप सेमेस्टर में यू विल बी स्टडीइंग समथिंग, गेट एग्जाम के लिए अलग पढ़ना चाहिए, कैंपस प्लेसमेंट के लिए अलग पढ़ना चाहिए, बट आपके पास ज्यादा टाइम भी नहीं होता है. सो मेनी 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 स्टूडेंट्स आर कमिटिंग दिस मिस्टेक यार. आपके पास टाइम जो अवेलेबल है ना, उस समय से अच्छी सी डिसीजन ले लो. इट कैन बी गेट एग्जाम और एनी अदर एग्जाम, इट डजंट मैटर, बट start early. This is very 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 important. So don't commit this mistake यार, starting your preparation journey as late as possible, thinking that अरे पास हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है. It is not the right time to take a choice. So second third year of engineering is the most crucial period in your entire career, guys. आप अभी जो decision लेते हैं ना, that decision will help you in your entire career. So be clever, take a decision and prepare strongly. Start your journey as early as possible. I suggest you at least 18 months to 1 year of मिनिमम पीरियड पहले आपको प्रिपरेशन तो शुरू होना चाहिए भाई. सो इफ यू आर एमिंग फॉर द गेट एग्जाम, डोंट डिले इट फर्दर. इफ यू हैवंट स्टार्टेड एनी प्रिपरेशन और इफ यू हैवंट टेकन एनी डिसीजन, टेक अ डिसीजन एंड स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन जर्नी. सो फॉर द पीपल हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर गेट 2024 एंड 2025, अनअकैडमी के पास एक ऑफर है. आज लास्ट डेट भी है इसके लिए. So subscribe to Unacademy. Using this code, you will get 23% off on Unacademy subscription. Whether it is Plus or Iconic, all the subscription में आपके 23% subscription में discount मिलेगा. This is the new year offer for 2023. Today is the last day for it. So if you are aiming for GATE, if you want to take the subscription, don't think that I will start after the GATE examination. I will think and I will decide. By that time, you can complete at least 2 subjects here, and you are also saving some price also. So if you take it now, it is definitely advantageous. So third year, second year, say so you can take the 24 months or 18 months according to your requirement. And those who are in the third year or those who are aiming only for 23, they may take 12 months also. It is sufficient. Okay, this is, you will be saving it. Okay, so that is what I want to share with you guys. So don't commit this mistake. This is my suggestion. We'll bring more and more this kind of short videos with the common problems faced by many engineering students like you people. Thank you very much, guys. Like the video, share this video with many of your friends. Thank you.